Good morning and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're here at Heathrow Airport. If my face looks red, it's because of that sign. Anywho, we're checked in, we're through security, and yeah, what an absolute nightmare of a system. Because we've got a wheelchair with Ellie, we had to move from the main check-in to go to the assisted check-in. Then at the assisted check-in, we went back to the main check-in because there was 4 of us. Then we got moved back to the assisted check-in. Then we got split up, and I was told I can't check in because I've got 4 bags because Emma and Ellie had to go somewhere else. Yeah, it was a crock of shit. I'm not going to swear. So, anywho, because of all of the hoo-ha we've had, we haven't had breakfast, and it's time to go to the gate. So, sorry I haven't filmed much in the airport. So, Tristan, so hard walking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Sorry about the flickering, but that is because of the frame rate on the airplane. Not much what's on my camera, but anywho, welcome on board American Airlines Dreamliner, and yeah, gonna look. Chicken stew with potato mash.
Yeah, I want to play it in the future.
It actually looks quite decent. It is quite decent. Nice. Time for a complimentary rich chocolate ice cream. See.
By the time correct, that is sugar. A car park, whatever it is.
Next stop, Terminal 3.
That's why we need it's American.
Next stop.
Is that just the family railroad?
So there you are, we've moved terminals in Chicago from 3 to number 5. Sorry it's a bit loud. We've just went through TSA security, and now for the next leg of the journey, Chicago to San Antonio. $2.
US law requires
Well, it's time for our flight from Chicago to San Antonio.
Now let's review the safety.
Yay!
Flight attendants, prepare the camp for takeoff, please.
It's a little bit of a weird dive to Chicago.
So, welcome to San Antonio. And then a big shock. Chris and Debbie's here! Way!
We were like, Debbie's like, they don't think we're not going to come to the airport, dude. It's like,
No,
probably,
we were fully expecting to drive to your house. And just like that, we have made it to Chris and Deb's house. Go check out Chris's channel. It's the Chris Goforth channel. I will leave a link in the description down below. And since we've been up for about 21 hours, I'm going to sleep. So on that note, see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.